Automated behavior updates allow you to target your most engaged contacts, exclude the less engaged, and avoid spam traps and future deliverability issues. This feature lets you query your contacts based on the last time they were sent, opened, or clicked on an email sent from your database. If the feature is not activated, your behavioral query criteria will be limited to specific mailings, which you'll need to individually configure. This can be a time-consuming and ongoing process. By activating automated behavior updates, you gain the flexibility to query and select contacts who have or haven't interacted with any of your mailings. The feature can be enabled for one database in your organization. The first step is to create 3 new fields on that database for the last send, last open, and last click data. Set the field types to date. The field names can vary, so you can follow your own naming conventions if required. Once the fields are created, an org admin user can enable automated behavior updates by going to Settings, Organization Settings, expanding the Automated Behavior Update section, selecting the database, and then mapping the last send, last open, and last click data to the new fields you've just created. The data for these fields runs overnight and automatically updates your database with the most up-to-date value for each of your contacts. Now, with this feature enabled, when you define query criteria, you can make your selection based on this new data. These values are saved in database fields under the profile criteria. Here's a quick reminder of the steps we just took you through. Decide on the database you would like automated behavior updates enabled for. Create the required database fields for last send, last open, and last click. Enable the feature in organizational settings and map the fields. And finally, start using the new data in your query criteria.